Hi guys, I have a very nice pepper sauce recipe for you guys. This is a staple in Liberia. As you guys know, pepper is like, I don't know which one comes first, rice or pepper. If you say Liberian, you know we love pepper. We love everything spicy. So I'm bringing to you guys a pepper sauce recipe today. I have all of the ingredients right there, and I will just list them as I go. So it's 5 scotch bonnet peppers, 2 garlic cloves, and I blend these together. Everything I had on the previous page, you just blend everything together. If you have a large blender, mine is smaller, that's why I'm doing them in increments. And so after that, you bring half cup of oil to medium heat. I use olive oil in this one. Bring it to medium heat and just add all of the blended ingredients in there. Fry your pepper for about 5 minutes. With Liberian cuisine, we usually don't use any type of thickener or shortcut style cooking. So get used to being in the kitchen for a little bit longer until you master this cuisine. And add all of the herbs and seasonings that I showed you guys earlier. I have half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, quarter teaspoon oregano, quarter teaspoon basil, quarter teaspoon ground cumin, half teaspoon seasoned salt, and then I'll be adding chicken bouillon later on. Cook it a little bit for about 10 minutes and then add half cup of water. And then I add the 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon. At this point, you're just gonna keep cooking your sauce on medium heat. Make sure you're stirring it every 5 minutes so that it doesn't burn. It takes about an hour of prep with the blending and everything put in the pot together, and then about another 30 minutes to an hour of fully cooking it. If you do it on high heat, it might take about 30 minutes. Since I did it on medium heat, it took about an hour. So I like what I see. I don't see any water under the sauce when I stir it. And this is a really nice sauce. I went with 5 peppers because it's supposed to be a spicy one. If you want to make it mild, maybe go with 2 or 1 if you prefer it really mild. This is what I'm using it for. You can use it as a rub. You can use it as an extra seasoning if you're cooking any stew. You can use it. Most Liberians eat it with dry rice or achike. I know I will get questions about rating recipes. I am working on getting back my website active again. I had to shut it down for some time, but I will get it back up and then I will post a rating recipe on there.